Hey guys, what is up? It's JJ Tech here, back again for another video. And today, we're going to be unboxing the Kimafun wireless lab mic that I've got here, right here. Now, as you guys do know, I did a video on a microphone as well, about 2 videos ago. I'll leave a link so you guys can check that out. But I did a video on that, and I did film with that mic for about 2 videos, or less. And then the last video I made, which is my review of the Viking Pro, I actually wasn't filming with it because I told you guys, I don't know if you guys heard, but it wasn't pairing to the receiver. They weren't pairing to each other. So I returned it, and I got my money back, and I got this one. Now I didn't get the same one because I didn't want it to happen to me again. Like, I don't know if it was a defect, but I didn't get it again because I didn't want it to have the same problem all over again. I didn't want to take the risk. So that's why I got a different one, a different brand, whole different mic. This is the Kimafun, whatever you want to call it. Kimafun wireless lav mic. Now, this one retails for about 50 bucks on Amazon, which I'll show on the screen right here. So it comes with the lav mic, the receiver, and it has some really cool tricks too, which I'll show you guys once I unbox it. Now I'm going to be showing a sound test to see how it sounds as well. I'm not going to be doing that in a separate video, I'm just going to do it in this video as well. So yeah, I'll leave a link to the actual product down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves, see if you guys like it or not. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so as you can see here, we got a little small box. This is much smaller than the last microphone box, and this is much more compact. Not just the box, but the microphone itself is much more compact. And you guys are about to see why it's so much smaller. So you can see we just got a simple blue box, Kimafun on it, and this sticker is kind of blocking the logo, but it says Kimafun on it. And all you do, so I'm actually gonna box it. I'm gonna slide out the package. That's pretty much it. And what's cool about this, like I said, this was 50 bucks, so it does cost a little more than my last mic, but it comes with an actual carrying case, which is kind of soft case / hard case, and has the Kimafun logo on it. And this is gonna be my new mic that I'm gonna be using. Hopefully this one doesn't, go off on me or doesn't work anymore. But this is gonna be the one I'm gonna be using from now on, if it works. Alright, so Kimafun. Now we're gonna open it up. As you can see, we're just gonna unzip it, and everything comes inside here. Alrighty, let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, nothing extravagant, just comes with the packaging. Alright, so first I'm going to dig in to the actual. So first thing we get is this little bag, and when you take it out, and now the thing about the difference about this microphone and my last microphone actually had to use batteries. So it was kind of inconvenient, and I found this one, and you can actually charge it via micro USB. Not sure if you guys can see that. Block that. This charges via micro USB, so if you have an Android charger lying around, you can just use that. But yeah, and it looks like it comes with two. So if you lose one, it comes with another one, which is pretty good. So yeah, this is charger. Put that to the side. Next thing we get inside this little pocket here, pull that out, we have this. Now, let me actually take it out so you guys can see it better. Take that out. It comes with plenty of accessories inside the box. Alright, so first thing you're going to see is this. Now this is an adapter, so let's say use it in a speaker or an amplifier. It comes with an adapter. The adapter. Put that to the side. Next thing we get was, this is one of the cool things that actually comes in the box that I said that's cool. So it comes with this little protective. Now this is a 3.5mm jack. Connect this right to your phone, camera, whatever you want to use it with. That has the 3.5mm jack. Because as we know these days, phones don't really come with jacks, headphone jacks anymore. So yeah. So what's cool about this kind of acts. So let's say you connect this into your phone or your camera. You can actually have your headphones connected to this side, and then the mic actually connect to this side. So you can have two stuff connected to it at the same time, which is pretty convenient which is not a lot of mics at this price point have this kind of stuff. So it's pretty convenient that it comes with this. So yeah, I don't know if you guys kind of got what I said, but it's kind of like a splitter. I actually don't know how to say it. You guys know what I mean, right? So it's pretty convenient. You can use two stuff at the same time. So yeah, but we're not done quite yet. So next thing we got in that little Ziploc bag is we get the noise reduction. I forgot what this is actually quite called, but you put this on the lav mic or whatever, and it reduces wind noise. So yeah, forgot that. Now next thing we have, I'm not quite sure what this is. Pretty sure this is a clip. This is a clip. You clip it on either to your pants, wherever, and yeah, it's a clip. You put it on. Pretty convenient. Put that to the side. Next thing we get is the actual receiver, or what you plug into the camera. So it says Kimafun, and this is 2.4 gigahertz. So in case you guys don't know what that means, it has a better network. I mean, not network connection. It has better connection than, let's say, a 1 gigahertz connection. So it's gonna be more responsive to the connection. If you guys kind of understand what I'm saying. As you can see, in Kimafun, we do have 3.5mm jack, and like I said, you can use this adapter to connect. Just plug it into that, twist it, and you can plug this in to your speaker or amplifier, and that should work exactly the same. So yeah, it comes with this, and it does come with a few stuff on it. Let me put this to the side, and we'll talk about that after we take everything out of the box. Next thing is we have the actual lav mic, which this is the part that you put. Sorry for my chair, it squeaks a lot. I'm trying to get a new chair, but yeah, don't mind that. As you can see, we have on off. We have a switch, obviously, to turn it on and off, and then we have the actual micro USB charging port. So it's pretty convenient. It uses micro USB to charge, which I think is pretty convenient. Yeah, I'm sorry if I was looking down. I'm trying to see if it was micro USB, and yes, it is. So that's just two simple buttons. Wait, and what's cool about this, it does come with volume up and down. So what that means is, if you wanna use volume up and down, so let's say if you're speaking too loud, you can reduce the actual sound by just using volume up and volume down. Not sure if you guys can kind of get that, volume up, volume down. So yeah, let's put this to the side. And last thing inside the case/box is, of course, the manual. And this kind of tells you what you can use it with down here. It comes with like a little chart, basically telling you what you can use this microphone with. So as it says here, you can use it with a desktop, notebook, which basically means laptop, iPad, a mobile phone, obviously camera, which is what I'm going to use it for, amplifier, an audio mixer, and a Bluetooth speaker, an audio speaker, right there. And so in case I pronounce some of these things wrong, this is a phone adapter. So I was kind of correct. You can connect it to your phone, and you can use headphones at the same time. And in case you guys didn't notice, it does come with two windscreen phones, which is what they're called. So if you lose this one, it always comes with a spare, which is pretty convenient. And yeah, just your quick start guide as well, basically telling you directions how to use it. Everybody knows how to do it. I mean, we're not idiots. And yeah, it's basically all inside, and then we just have this little phone. So yeah, it's pretty cool that it comes with this case. I do like that. So far I'm liking what I'm getting here. So far I'm liking it. So let me actually set up the mic to show you how it sounds, and I'll be back. Right guys, I'm back, and you are now listening audio from the Kimafun microphone right now. So definitely tell me in the comments down below how the audio sounds out of the microphone itself. Now, I personally think it's going to sound great. I actually haven't tested it out, so this is my first time actually using it. So yeah, tell me in the comments down below. Now, I'm not quite sure if it is stereo sound. You would actually have to judge that in the comments down below and tell me. I couldn't find it anywhere in the manual saying that it was stereo or anything, or in the Amazon description. But if I was wrong, please tell me in the description. So yeah, tell me how the audio sounds. Tell me if it sounds better than my last microphone, which is a Fifine microphone. Tell me if it sounds better or worse. I would definitely like to hear you guys' feedback. So yeah, like I said, I left the link to this product down below so you guys can check it out. Like I said, retails for 50 bucks. It's kind of a pretty penny, cost a pretty penny. Sorry if I have in such an awkward position, I really couldn't find a place to put it, but I put it here for the purpose of this video. So yeah, tell me how it sounds. I'm gonna go up here and see if it sounds the same, back and forth. How does it sound? Yep. Hello, testing, 1 2 3, testing, 1 2 3. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe down below. It's definitely free. It'll really help my channel a bunch. Thanks for watching the video. I'll try to, like I said, I'm trying to post every Friday, so stay tuned. And if you guys have any ideas in the comments down below, definitely tell me. And yeah, I'll definitely appreciate if you would subscribe. Thanks for watching the channel. Peace.